Ask any allergy sufferer and they'll tell you allergies blow. The dust, pollen, smoke, and mold spores that float around outside make a formidable allergen force on their own. Add a buildup of dust mites and pet dander to those rings, which is what you get indoors, and a lot of allergy sufferers start to fantasize about colonizing space. Relief doesn't have to be just a fantasy, though. The great thing about indoor spaces is allergy deterrents that are natural to that environment. Carpets, rugs, and other soft furnishings are one example. Did you know that they help filter dirt, allergens, and bacteria from the air inside your home? Because carpets filter so much gunk out of the air, it's important to keep them cleaned every 3 to 4 months by professionals who use a natural, safe, and effective solution, like Chem-Dry. Chem-Dry's hot carbonating extraction cleaning process penetrates deep into carpet fibers and is proven to remove an average of 98% of common household allergens from carpet and upholstery, and 89% of airborne bacteria when a sanitizer is added. While there are lots of issues with indoor air quality, following simple practices will improve the healthfulness of your home and the air you and your family breathe.